Okay, today we're going to look at the new MicroGard Select Extended Life Oil Filter, number MS57502. And you can get this at O'Reilly Auto Parts for $9.49. So let's get started.
This is up for, you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's start with the box. Got a nice picture here. Thick steel canister. We'll measure that, see how it is. Special powder coated paint. That's nice. And I see a coil spring right here. Metal end caps. And they say a metal core with the holes. That's pretty good. Synthetic resin media. And silicone drain back valve. And a silicone O-ring gasket. Nice. Alright, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, and also on the box it says made in Vietnam. Distributed by Ozark Automotive. There's the address. The date code is 21 MYF01. I take that as May this year, 01. Probably May 1st. Or yeah, that's what it probably would be, May 1st. And it isn't really slippery. It's not a real rough texture, but it would definitely help to you're putting it on and off. Okay, they got this plastic seal on it. Look at that, nice silicone O-ring. Let's see, how is it on there? It's on there pretty good, folks. Getting there. Okay. Wow, it's a nice thick one too. Nice. We got 8 inlet holes. And of course they say it's a silicone drain back valve. And I see metal inner core with holes. Bypass valve down below. Looks nice and clean looking. This is a sticker. Let's open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 11 ounces even. Yep, coil spring. That's the fine old coil spring action. Okay, let's see what the base plate weighs. 4.5 ounces. And we've seen the O-ring earlier. It's on there very good. It's a nice thick one too. Nice. Nice base plate. It's got a nice amount of threads on it. Yeah. A lot of holes for a good oil flow. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, the anti-drain back valve. This is a silicone, and I've seen these before. The nice shiny one like this. It's like I think on premium guards I've seen this, and maybe the K&N. But this is nice. Fit on there nicely like that. It's nice and snug. It doesn't move around. Yeah, it fits on there nice. I gotta say, this filter is very clean. This filter media, real clean. I counted 55 pleats, metal crimp seam, metal end caps, bypass valve down here, But this is a real nice clean filter. And the filtration is 99% at 25 microns. And this is supposed to be a synthetic blend media. And I found out that information on O'Reilly's website. As you can see the holes there in the inner core. And let's see how much this weighs. 3 ounces even. Okay, in the can, we got the coil spring. Nice. The can weighs 3.1 ounces. Now let's see what the thickness is. They said it's a heavy duty can. Yeah, 0.5, 0.4. Let me zero that off. 0.6, 0.5. Well, 0.4 is about average that I see. So it might be slightly. It does feel thicker. It doesn't bend as easy as most. Yeah, it's nice. Look, these pleats are really nicely spaced too. I mean, this is like the perfect picture filter. Yeah, it's nice looking. Well, you know what? Let's see how long this baby is, and we'll go from there. But before I do that, let's get some measurements. .6 inches wide, 2.65 inches, and 3.23 inches. Okay, let's cut this baby open and see how long she is. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 55 inches long. Okay, and here she is at the seam, and it all managed to stay together. And I took a little sample to measure. .8 millimeters. Yeah, that's what I was getting, 0.8 millimeters. Fairly thick. Not strong if you pull on it like this. It will tear though. But it's strong this way. It's a nice filter media. Let's look at the rest of the filter. And you got the metal core with the holes. These are nice holes in here. Get a good oil flow. So they're good. Inner core is good. Silicone valve. That's good. Coil spring. Base plate. Can's good. Good thick can. Nice amount of threads on here. You got a silicone O-ring gasket. Yeah, this filter is really nice. You know, I'm thinking this being made in Vietnam, it's probably made on a brand new machine. Because this filter is very clean. Very clean oil filter. I mean, most of the ones I open up are plastered with glue or something, but this one is wicked clean. So what do you guys think about this filter? You know, is it worth $9.50? It's a nice filter, but 99% at 25 microns. You can get a little better than that. But this is a very nice filter. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.